Sydney's running.
You're a sprinter, like you're, well, that wasn't a sprinter, but you're a sprinter. Well, bless you. Bless you. Boop.
I can see up here the nose.
She's got boogers. You got boogers up there? You like running.
Running's good.
You like running. Look at Grandpa.
Running.
You're looking at your mom. Look at your Grandpa.
Where's Grandpa?
Yeah. You got your dogs in the background barking away.
Sweet home
You're gonna
Alabama.
dance. Yeah, dance now. Oh boy, Indian Tina playing. This is it. This is it, right, Sydney? It's playtime. Tickle. Tickle the Sydney Roo. Tickle, 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 tickle. You're not mad for that? Whoa. Dad's got a big head.
It's not a sweet home Alabama.
Yeah, unfortunately, you're going to take out.
You got a big head.
Look
No.
at his little belly.
Yeah. You got a chunky belly. Chunky belly.
Sydney, it doesn't get any better than this, sweetheart.
Everyone's thinking of you.
And everybody knows that you're the smartest girl in the world.
Yep. We gotta get a picture of Grandpa in there. Wait, give it to me. There you go. And there's Grandpa.
Oh, boy.